Anybody can tell me what is files here? What is files here? Anybody?
there any super global variable?
Yeah, this is one of the super global variable, right? Like you already seen global, post, request, get, all are the global variables, super global. And so similarly, files is also for also have super global variables. And why we use these files? So right now you're dealing with the forms, but only some text data you're entering, or maybe integer you are entering and inserting into data. Maybe sometimes you have to also attach some files now on that form, right? Attach file means, what is attach file means? Suppose I'm adding guest information and I want to attach the picture of the guest also in that form, so that next time when I can see who is this person. This there is possibility na, or you are sometimes you register yourself some websites where you put all your informations, and you have to also attach your file, your picture, or your attach the PDF files of your qualifications. Sometimes you have to do that, or sometimes you have to attach the Aadhaar picture. Sometimes you experience this in many websites, which re-
Yes, sir.
yeah, great. So which require to attach some files. So till now we know that in just you are entering the plain text and it's working, but when I have to attach some file, the working is little different. How this is different? So if I went to my VS Code, guest app, this is the guest app, and what are the file name? Guest registration.php. Oh, this was our file now. Sorry, form, the first form where I'm registering. So guys, I'm typing this guest registration form, and I can see I can enter first name, last name, email. So maybe I have to also include another field. I'm just copying this one. I'm typing here file name, uh, guest picture, right? And I'm typing here file name, and field name is also file. Here, whenever I have to attach a file, here the type input type will be what? Anybody can tell me what can be the
Tell me,
input?
sir.
Sorry.
Sir, ID is a file name or
Oh,
a
sorry.
spelling mistake, sir?
That is just a spelling mistake, right? What is the type? File. If you are attaching any file, the type will be
File. File.
file. So if you see this form, now it's coming like this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the HTML is displaying this one, and Bootstrap is displaying some nicer way, right? If you have not Bootstrap, it will look like this. If I remove this, it will look like this, right? Plain, but
Yes, sir.
Bootstrap CSS help you to make it better look and feel, right? Like this. What happens? We can choose any file here, and suppose that I'm choosing uh, here, suppose this is the TOC file, right? So whenever I choose any file, what is happening here? This file is coming now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But if you submit this form, this will not work if you have to get this file so that you can put something somewhere in your server in some folder. This file post method will not help to get this value, right? In that case, what will use, which global variable
Yeah.
will be this file global variable will use, right? So what is that? An necessary array of items uploaded to the current script via the HTTP post method, right? Post method upload. This feature lets people upload both text and binary files. Not C. Here you see I have given type file, right? And if you are sure that you are going to upload a form also, so what is the one special attribute you need to add here? Inc type equal to multi-part form data. What you have to use? Inc type multi-part form data. So as I know, I am going to upload a file also in this form. So what I have to write here? Inc type equal to what? Multi-part slash, guys, multi-part, you see, inc type equal to multi-part form data. Inc type equal to multi-part form data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In which condition will use this one, this attribute in the form?
When we have to use any file, upload any file.
Yeah, whenever we have to upload any file or using that browse and adding any file in that form, you have to use this attribute of the form. Now, so be sure your your file upload from attribute in type equal to multi-word form data, otherwise the file you upload will not work, right? So let us see what is happening. So whenever we'll upload this file, where we are going on the action here, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can see if I am uploading any file, and I can do something like this: echo pre. Let me making it whatever displaying my screen. I want to some pre-formatted print r. Guys, if you are printing array, what are the print you will use? Print r, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So I want to see what I have received under files, right? Then die. What die will do? It will not do anything after that. It will just stop the execution of the script,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So I want to see, like, when I post the data, I can receive a request or post or get posted data. I can receive the data in the array request or post. So if you are also submitting a file, this will come here, and all the files will in which global array this file data will come, dollar
Dollar
underscore
files.
dollar underscore files. So let us see what is happening. I'm putting here j say then j@gmail.com. Typing because see. So it's not printing anything. What happened? Type equal to file form control. Okay, file name.
Sir, in action.php, we will not add it in isset dollar post.
No, no, that is
You
not
added.
that is not required,
Okay, sir.
because that is a global variable and it should available, right? So what we are missing, I hope I have written correct. Form ink type. Text is correct, na? Ink type, enc type.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then multi-part is also okay. Then form hyphen data, right? Then my type is user file and type equal to file. So I've also included type equal to file, and instead of file name, let it be uh, guest file, right? Not making it that required. Okay, probably that was session was somehow lost or maybe not working. You see what I'm getting here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if I'm printing the global files variable, that global array, what is this one?
File, guest file name.
That
File name.
that was the field name now of what I've given to the file, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
And within that, what are the values I'm getting? Name. This is the name of the file which I have uploaded.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you see full path, so right now it's just displaying the whatever the path is, they are not attaching any before URL. Here if you see type, it will tell that what is the type of the file, right? So it's a Excel sheet, so that's why it's displaying here application vnd.openxml formats office document, a spreadsheet, and this is a, so this is a Excel file. The meaning is that it's an office document, a spreadsheet, right? And whenever you upload any file, one temporary on the server, one temporary file is created. Means one comp, like you are uploading something, you are uploading, it means somewhere it's residing, na, guys. If you're uploading a file, uploaded, it means that file is temporarily somewhere stored, right?
Yes, sir.
On the server. So this is the temporary name of that file, and there is no any issue in upload, so you are getting error, what?
0.
Yeah, 0. And it also giving what is the size of your
That file.
file. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 information are here. So I've also mentioned here. So how, if I want to access this information, what I have to type? That file name, what are the name you given, and the name.
Yes, sir.
If I have to just print the file name, what I have to do? Echo
File name.
dollar
File.
files, sorry. Then what I should write here?
Guest file name.
Yes, this is the field name, na. So I will use the guest file name, and I'm just printing the file name, the file I have uploaded. Then what I have to use?
Name.
Name. So by this way you know na what is the name of the file which I have uploaded.
Yes, sir.
Where you are able to access that? On the server, right? This is the name.
Yes, sir.
The files global array is printing this one. Maybe you can upload more than one file, na. Here I can attach, suppose this is the, and I'm typing guest ID, right? Then I'm writing here ID file name, ID file name. Now if I go to the form again, I'm just refreshing, I'm getting another field, right? So
Yes, sir.
jsj@gmail.com. Then I'm attaching one file here. This is suppose milestone assessment is this. This is let me, I should have actual picture. I'm just attaching. So I have some pictures, basics, PHP basics. What is this? I have no picture on my system. How? Or let me download some pictures. Nature. Right. I'm just downloading some small picture. Suppose I'm just this is one picture I've saved, and I have another this picture. Person. So if I go to my folder and guest app, I have two pictures now. One is the person.jpg, another is this. Suppose that I'm naming this to ID, right? Where is ma'am? Uh, this is something wrong approach. Actually, I have to not save there because I'm treating that as a server now. Those files are on the server, so I should not save there. I should take it out something somewhere else. These are the two files. I'm just pasting on. It's not copied. Why it's not copied? Actually, I try to cut that down. So in Mac, Control X do not work like Windows. So Control C, then Control V, right? Now I'm checking this. This is the guest picture, and this is the right. Now see what I'm getting. what I'm getting, guys? How many files I have uploaded?
Two files.
Two files.
Super.
Two files, and both the files have different name, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in this array I have multiple, this is the file name key, and I can upload two files. And if I have to, this is the person file, and this is just his ID. So if I have to access the name of the file which is his ID, what I should use?
ID, file name, and then name. So
Yes, like if I go to my code, that is action. How I can access the file name of the ID? That is simple. This is ID file name. So it's printing na both id.jpg, and so this is the way from the different files uploaded by me I can access either name or full path or type or uh, temporary name. Temporary name is on the server, right? This is temporarily created by my PHP on my server. So basically server is a temporary location where in my context, like the server works, I have using my laptop as a server also. What is running in there? Because Apache is running there, and Apache is looking into where are those files, where is the PHP and all things it's executing. Now the next thing is that how to, so you are all clear about this now? What is the name, what is the type, what is the temporary name, what is the error, what is the full path? Clear?
clear, sir.
Okay. Now I want to upload this file on the, right now my, what are the server folders right now? What are the server folders? If I talk, what are server folders? Whatever within the htdocs are the server folders now. And
Yes, sir.
right now I am under this folder. This is my project. So this is also server folder.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can upload a file on my server, right? So there is some function. What are those functions? Before that, suppose that you have defining that where you want to upload, right? So here is my, I'm creating a folder inside that uh, guest guest files, right? Within that I'm creating one ID, and within that I'm also creating uh, profile photo, right? So within that guest files, in my project I've created two folders. So I want my guest files id images file should come here, and his photo should come in this folder, right? So what should I do here? I'll define for the first path id file path. What will be that path? What will that path, guys? Guest files slash what?
ID.
ID and profile pics file path. What will be that? Guest files, and within that what I'll write?
Profile photo.
Profile photo, yes.
Yep.
Correct? Clear, guys? So it's your choice if you want to provide
Yes, sir.
these or not these, it's upon you, right? So you see one path is already defined of where I want to upload, and also whenever what file exactly I am looking to uploaded file. This is the directory, and what name I want on the server. So what it does, because the name you have to give. So I am giving here path, but what will the file name? That is file name. So I have already this path. Dot. How I'll get the file name of this ID one? From here. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
I'm creating, I know I have to save in this path, but with which name I want to save this file? The name I'm receiving, right? My choice, my choice. It's your choice if you want to rename, but right now the same name I'm going to use to save on the where?
Server.
On the server. Right?
Server.
Yes, server. So this is the ID file name. Similarly, I can create a profile file name. What I can give this one? I think it should come here now. Similarly, I will create the file path name. This is the path, and what I want to use. What will be here? This one.
Yes, sir.
So if you echo this one, what will get? You see? Sorry, I have not echo that one. I have to echo this one. Guest files profile photo person.jpg, right? So in the profile photo, in this folder, with which name this file will be saved?
Person.jpg.
Person.jpg. Now my files path are ready. What is the next action? Call some function to move on that folder. So for that, there is a method or function, PHP function, move uploaded file. What is the function name? Move uploaded
files.
And what we upload? File is already uploaded when form submitted. So where is your file right now? Temporarily now, at some location on the server.
Yes, sir.
So what we'll use? Temp name. right?
Yes, sir.
You will use the temp name and the destination, right? So here we'll write move uploaded file. What is the source? What will be the source? Should I use or something else? I'll use this na temp name.
Yes, sir. Temp name.
Yes, temp name, right? The first was I'm using this one guest file. And what is the next parameter? What,
$upload.
where I want to upload guest file I'm uploading, and guest file is this. Guest file is this, and this is the destination, na? Right?
Yes, sir.
So let us see. If I go back, refresh, again try. I have submitted. So let us see what happened. You see,
Yes, sir.
this file is uploaded in this folder now. I have not created now. This file was not here earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how this file uploaded? Through
Move upload file
move
upload
uploaded
file
file,
function.
right? So you can also put this in some condition. If move uploaded file, you can just for your choice. Right now it's not needed. If move uploaded, you can just print some message for your in the actual project. You do not write to your file uploaded successfully. Your file uploaded successful. I want to see right now. So else echo some error, right? So if I again go back, j@gmail.com, I'm using this, then this. I'm getting some message, your file uploaded successfully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's your choice what you want to show in this message or something you want to do. Suppose that you want anything happen after the file is successfully uploaded, I'll show some error, right? So this is the way what you can do.
Upload a file on our phone.
Yes. So right now I am just uploading one file. How can I upload that ID file? I write code for that also, na? So what was that?
Yes.
Okay, what was that? ID file, na?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the destination for that?
ID file name.
This is the ID file name, na?
Yes, sir.
So right now I'm not putting this condition. I'm just for demo purpose. So if I again refresh this, j@gmail.com person. Oh, I've just chosen one file only. Now see, this ID has also one file, na? So I am able to upload both files.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes.
So here was my code. So I can upload both the files. But you see, there is possibility na कि every time I am choosing one file and you are creating your profile on a server, on a website. You have used your website like a picture name abc.jpg. Another person is also using his picture abc.jpg. So what will happen? Both will upload if I upload file like this. I've uploaded multiple times, but there is only one person.jpg na. What was happening? What was happening, guys? It is overwriting the file na, because I am using the same name na every time,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? So if I use the same logic, if two person are using the same file name, the last person who will upload his file, only that will be exist or previous one will be overwritten.
Yes.
So how to overcome? Should we do like this or change the file name some dynamic way? Right now, uh, I'm taking the file name like this, the actual file name what was uploaded, right? So can I do something? Uh, if I append something like this, time dot dot something like hyphen, also here file path. So what will happen now? What I'm doing here? What is the meaning of this time function? Guys, what is the meaning of this time function? This echo, if you see echo and then die, what time does? What is printing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number this is printing now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this number? Anybody know what is this time this number is? Anybody?
Sir, is it the timestamp when we uploaded uploaded the file?
No, this is the time stamp, but this time this time function returns from 1970 1970 year 1970 1st January till now, that time function was executed, how many seconds passed? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
If you want to read more, see PHP time. I told you, no, read the time functions, right? You see, returns the current time measured in the number of seconds since what?
January 1, 1990.
And this GMT, right? From GMT, not Indian time. From GMT, how many seconds passed, right? So, if you print this, it will show that right now what is the by that time time stamp. We should know that what is the current date. We can extract also the date. This can tell about date also, right? So there are date time functions. Date time functions. This date time function also you can use and pass time stamp here, right? You see here, and this will return in the form of what? Month, day, and year. So check that both date time function, guys. Whenever you get chance, whenever you get chance, check the date time functions. These are very useful everywhere in every projects, right? So what will happen here now? Let us see with an example. If I run this again, hmm, nothing changed. How? Why not changed? Not changed, not changed. Why not changed, guys? If I, oh, you see what I did here?
Yes, sir.
I have to remove this one,
Guys.
na? It was just printing. So if I see, you see what happened here now?
Yes, sir.
Now, if someone is come with the same file name also, his file name will be different or same?
Different. Different, sir.
Different. Now, guys, you are able to upload a file on the server. So, how will you will know that whenever show the profile of that picture, I have to show picture of that person. How will you know? You have to save this file name na in the database, right?
Yes, sir.
So also I was doing everything here, right? Do you think it's a right to do here, or I can call a method to upload a file?
Call a method.
We can call a method, right? So when I was creating uh, object, so in this class I can create a method here, upload file, and what this needed, two parameters, source and destination, right? Two parameters needed here, na? And from here, once that guest is saved, on success, suppose that I'm performing the file upload operation, right? So upload result, what I have to call, which method I have to call?
Upload file.
Upload file, upload file, and I can take it out and put this here and just source here and destination, right? So it will take only two parameters, it will do, either it will return true or false, right guys?
Yes, sir.
And here I have to not call it twice. I have already prepared my source. One second, what will the source here? This is the, suppose that first source, and for this what was the destination? This was, na? One second guys. So this will upload ID, right? And for the profile, temp done. Done, guys. I can also take it out this all from here, and I should put here. Clear, guys? Clear or not clear? I am, after the data has been saved or user data has been saved in the database, I am now, this is the path for the ID, and I'm creating the file name appending with time. This is the file path of the profile picture and creating the file name appending the time. Now I'm calling 2 times the same method, right? First I'm passing ID file name temp and ID file name source destination. Thereafter guest file name temp, and then this is the destination. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So upload result ID and upload result profile. So I can handle whatever the result will come, we can handle. So for the demonstration purpose, let me remove this one. What? So if I again go to the form JR choose file, oops, XN29. What is the problem, guys? XN29. Dollar, double dollar. Guest saved successfully, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now if you see, files are also generated, na? So by mistake it's generated twice because one error we get at one time. So how we can save this in database also? We have this file name, na, with us. How we can save in the database also? So first how we can upload the files on the server, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Great.